Hello and welcome back again to my game project, my prototype, old school FPS shooter. I added some stuff, not very much. I can show you the biggest feature I added, and it's the guy in the corner here. It's the charather's face. So yeah, and the fun thing is I'm gonna let him die to be shoot. So you see a health decreasing, his face got more hurt. Like so, and when you die, so press start again. I added sound pickups on this. I added some crates because crates are awesome and very easy to do. I add some baked lighting here so it's not flickering when I turn the face from the lightning. It was demonic before, but I don't need demonic light, so I baked it into the textures. Die. I made the shotgun more taking more damage than the pistol, so it's only need to be the enemy need to be shot one time with the shotgun, and it dies instantly. Yeah, I made that sound in Audacity. It's temporary, of course, but better to have a bad sound than no sound at all. I added some gates here, so you can't just directly go to the exit. You need to push this button, very easy. This block can pick up, drop. It's from older prototype game. I named Rivnir, and yeah. Get the key and exit. So that's everything. I also increased damage of the pistol, so I think you can. Yeah, 4 shots of the pistol to kill the enemy, and 1 shot from the shotgun and it killed the enemy. So that's the new things. Yeah, and yeah, I am pretty happy with that guy I got there in the corner. I'm gonna show you how I got that. It's pretty fun actually. He's supposed to look like Swedish, but he's not Swedish. I found this picture on 9gag. This picture here. It's a albino Indian family, and I took his face here, and I edited him in Photoshop to have some more square head to remind you all to look like more Duke Nukem style. I added some glasses, thug life glasses, pretty mimi. I edit shins. So this guy turn it into this guy. I think I have a better picture here. Yeah. So yeah, it was fun. Hope you like it. Comment down below what you think about my my updates, and see you next time. share, like, and subscribe, yo.